In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When it's ready, open it. Then to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and tap on this gear at the top left corner. Use all of those options however you want to adjust your wallpaper. And then tap on this X at the top right corner to access those three lines at the bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide where by tapping on one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!